Hyper-personalization techniques for email marketing campaigns in 2024. What is hyper-personalization? Hyper-personalization is a technique that uses data and AI to tailor the content, design, and tone of an email marketing campaign to individual subscribers based on their unique characteristics, behaviors, and preferences. Benefits of hyper-personalization. 1. Increased engagement. Tailored content resonates with subscribers, leading to higher open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. 2. Improved customer experience. Personalized emails show that you understand and care about each subscriber's individual needs and preferences. 3. Better ROI. By targeting the right audience with the right message, you can optimize your marketing spend and achieve a higher return on investment. Step-by-step guide to hyper-personalization. 1. Collect and segment data. Collect data from various sources such as customer relationship management, CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and social media. Segment your email list based on demographics, behavior, preferences, and firmographics. 2. Define your goals. Identify your target audience and what you want to achieve with your email marketing campaign, such as sales, leads, or brand awareness. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals for your campaign. 3. Create personalized content. Use data and AI to create dynamic content that is tailored to each subscriber's unique characteristics. Use variables such as name, location, job title, industry, interests, and purchase history to create personalized subject lines, greetings, and content. 4. Design for personalization. Use responsive design to ensure that your emails are optimized for different devices and screen sizes. Use interactive elements such as carousels, accordions, and hover effects to make your emails more engaging. Use AI-powered email builders. Use email builders like HubSpot's Email Builder or MailChimp's Campaign Builder to create personalized emails quickly and easily. Use pre-built templates or design your own templates using drag-and-drop tools. 6. A/B testing. Test different versions of your email campaign to determine which one performs best. Test different subject lines, greetings, content, images, and CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. 7. Use behavioral triggers. Use behavioral triggers such as abandoned cart reminders, welcome emails, and birthday greetings to create timely and relevant interactions. Use data from previous interactions to personalize subsequent emails. 8. Integrate with other channels. Integrate your email marketing campaign with other channels such as social media, CRM systems, and customer service platforms. Use data from these channels to create more personalized interactions. 9. Measure and optimize. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribes. Use analytics tools to measure the effectiveness of your hyper-personalization strategy and identify areas for improvement. Best practices for hyper-personalization in 2024. 1. Keep it simple. Avoid overwhelming subscribers with too much information or too many options. 2. Be transparent. Be clear about how you're using data and what you're collecting from subscribers. 3. Respect subscriber preferences. Honor subscribers' opt-out requests and avoid sending unwanted emails. 4. Stay up to date. Keep your data up to date by regularly updating subscriber profiles and preferences. 5. Monitor for compliance. Ensure that your hyper-personalization strategy complies with relevant data protection regulations such as GDPR and CCPA.